always keep it inside. You're the driving force in my life. Yeah. There isn't anything or anyone that I could be, and it just would.
Kumusta ka na po, Lola? Happy birthday! Miss na po namin ikaw. Kahit minsan-minsan na lang po tayo nakikita, kahit sa video chat na lang po, mahal pa din namin ikaw. Lahat po na nandiyan, isa po namin kayo kasi wala na ikaw. Happy birthday! Salamat din po sa pag-aalaga sa amin kahit na-baby pa po kami, kahit minsan lang po. Happy birthday! Happy birthday po! Bye! Love you! Bye!
You know I love you. Ooh, you know I love you, Mama. Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Your love is like tears from the stars. Yes, it is. Mama, I just want you to know, loving you is like food to my soul. Yes, it is.
Ay, ma. Sabi ko, di ba, potang papagsalitan niyo kung antini, kung biyasa. Pero nung papagkantan mo, kung maskin, pati nga po na lang problema. Anyway, ng birthday mo yan, burira kang great. Happy, happy birthday. At sana parati kang maging malusog, magkasakit, at saka ikatangadwa, di tak na yung makatagan kay Bieta, sana kay ba't na ning birthday mong ini, magumpisata nang enjoy yung Bieta. Siguro maging agyuta naman kanyan, at kanan tanay buritang kanan, basta gyura rin pera ta. Sana maging masaya ka pa rin parati. Nakamamroblema. At kung tutusin, ala na ka man talagang problema. Ating katang mga ganakang anak. Mga nyaman na yapu. So, ito na makayang dirib, di ba nimbye? Again, happy birthday. At kukot na akong Peter nung nanong ibiyay ko keka. May tiyempo ako matuwain bulan. No? Nano po yung ibiyay kang mama. Diyan ko niyang totoong pagmamahalak. So, happy birthday. I love you. Katapama Golding Hands. Kaluguran da ka. Ikuwatang misa chat. At maswelo ka ta rin anak. Okay naman. So, enjoy. I love you, mama. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sana dakal pa yung maging birthday ta kanya ni Katangadwa. Okay? I love you. Happy birthday.
Oh, yes it is. Yes it is. Yes it is. Oh, you're always down for me. Have always been around for me. Even when I was bad, you showed me right from my wrong. Yes, you did. And you took up for me when everyone was down on me. You always did understand.
Happy birthday, Mama. Maski kay man miuli at tamo man makompleto ng yung birthday mo, pero sana enjoy mo pa rin yung celebration ng 70th birthday mo. Another milestone in your life. And we are very thankful to God that He allowed you to live this long to be with us. At sana pangadining mas kumaba pa in biyayo kayo nga papa naman sa kaya nila ko pang maluwat at di nang ko pang sikan ng katawan. Thank you kaya po kay hanggang kewayo kay kami manibatan niyang malati kami kay wisdom, kay learnings, kay faith. Nung nano kami nga ni kakapatad, uli kay kayo madong papay ta. Nung nanong pangatao mi, uling binuuyo kaming makachos at biyasang lukod at respeto kami kapwa. Kaya kita po, pasalamat kami na maski nga ning mga ragul na kami, kayong patuloy na maging anchor mi, ang maging maming gagabay kay kami sa magkamali kami at tabayanan nyo kaya pa rin. Kaya king kagawan nyo, gawayo po at kayang patuloy yung kagawan pat salamat kay Maragul. Kaya sana ngayong birthday tamo man makapag-party ang tita king sana mo rin yung mangyari pero sana enjoy pa rin yung ano. Happy birthday and we love you so much and see you soon. We miss you. Wala pa lang.
Happy birthday po, ma.
You gave me strength to go on. There were so many times looking back when I was so afraid. And then you come to me and tell me I could face anything.
Happy birthday, Mama. Thank you kayong pamagparagulyo kay kami rin kapatid ko, kayong adwang papa. Yung wish ko kayong birthday mo, long life at saka good health din kayong buong pamilya tamo. I love you.
Hi po tita, happy birthday. Wish you all the best po, good health and more birthday to come. And God bless po.
And no one else can do what you've done for me. You'll always be, you will always be the girl in my life. Ooh, oh, mama.
Happy 70th birthday, Mama. Matakal pong salamat kay Ngay Gana-Gana. Yung wish ko po para kay kayo lagana sa wish you matupad. Tsaka po enjoy your day. I love you po.
Hi tita, happy birthday po. God bless.
Ma, happy birthday po. Thank you po karing lagana sa support binyayo po kay kami. Wish ko po para kay kayo good health, long life. Tamo po. Enjoy your day. And
Mama, you know I love you. You know I love you. You know I love you. Mama, ooh, Mama, you're the queen of my heart. You are. Your love is like tears from the start.
Happy birthday, Ma. Wish you all the best. Tapos sana good health. May the Lord give you grace. May the Lord give you strength kung ano maning maging problem mo emotionally, physically. Sana tabayanan nakatama ka kang
Like tears from the start. Mama, I just want you to know. Mama, I just want you to know. Loving you is like food to my soul. Never gonna go a day without you.
Hindi ako napag-memorize sa mga salita. Pero basta, gusto ko po kayo magka-long life at happy birthday po. Ilang taon na ba kayo? Hindi ko matandaan. Ang dami ng numbers eh. Basta happy birthday po. Bye. Kalaguran dakang Lola Boss. Sana masaya kaking birthday mo. Sana po masaya po yung birthday nyo kahit hindi po kami makapunta, kahit wala po kaming party, love pa din po namin kayo. Kahit hindi po kami magsama-sama na magpunta dyan po sa Pampanga, at least po makaka-celebrate po kami sa inyo din po. Tsaka po, ang wish ko po sa iyo po na sana po buhay kayo ng mahaba. Tsaka po, stay healthy and God bless you po. Love you po. Bye-bye.
you is like food to my soul. Loving you is like food to my soul. Yeah, you are the food to my soul.